Okay, part 3. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. So this is my setup. You can't really tell a whole lot. Like I said, a lot of it's shrouded, covered. So what I've got here is what I call my fuel port. I might just fire that up for the heck of it. And then that's the exhaust port. That's a vertical stack. Let's sit back here and talk about and describe it to you. So there's an elbow on this end and an elbow on that end. Now when I do stovepipe, I did an elbow, and then that's hooked to a TEE, stovepipe T, so it ran horizontal on the ground and then vertical up. Normally you'd have a T to go outside or something, out through to a corner or a wall, or to go outside. And so anyway, don't get sidetracked on that. So I had an elbow, a T, and then an elbow on the other end, and that was about 10 linear feet of run on 6-inch pipe. Worked awesome. That was the one that was waterproofed and insulated from the bottom, parabolic trench. We went all out on that one. My grandkids helped me. My dome gnome. Stop it. Rebecca. God bless Rebecca. Okay, anyway. This one is just 2 elbows. Okay, 1 elbow on this end, 1 elbow on the other end. So just a short run here, just a stabilizing pipe, just so I can put on stuff vertically and let it feed. On that end, though, I've got about 2.5 feet of pipe, vertical pipe. I've got a rain cap / spark arrestor also to put on that end. I can put that on, but I'm not going to show you right now. It's sticking out of the end of the Works arrow cart there, if you can see that. And then to maintain heat on that end, there's logs around those pieces of firewood there, or around it to, absorb whatever heat comes through that jacket. But the jacket's not going to put out much heat, because what that is a blanket rolled around the pipe and then taped on with 600 mile an hour, aluminum tape for repairing holes in airplanes. Call it jet taper. 600 mile an hour tape is what's commonly called in my book, in my neck of the woods, where I was in Colorado. So anyway, that's wrapped around with that. I made it as watertight as I could. I made to redo it again because to make it more, watertight, so it'll hold water. So my idea is to fill it up with water all the way to the top. And I poured water in there this morning. We did it last night when my son was here. Sunday night, my second son, David, was here. We fired it up just because he was around, so I just got excited. I fired it up. It worked out perfectly, just like I thought it would. I did pour alcohol down, and that just whoosh. It was pretty fun. I don't have any more alcohol, I don't think. Something flammable, I might put something, but I don't want to mess it up with anything yucky, because I want to smoke stuff in. I want to get some strips of meat and hang them down in there, and smoke some beef or something, lamb or whatever, snake. I don't know, something chicken. Nah, something that'll hold together and hang in there good. A long strip of beef would be nice. Okay, so anyway, so that is what's going on there. That's why the silvery big fat jacket there. That's the tape wrapped around a blanket that I can soak down with water. And I first fired up, me and David, and then it started smoking from the bottom. I'm like, oh my gosh, the blanket's burning. It had lit the blanket up. And I poured alcohol down there, so it might have leaked. Some of the alcohol might have leaked out. I don't think it could have, but it might have leaked out, and it might have been, actually burning. But I think it was just the heat so hot that it was burning, lighting the blanket up. So the blanket's scorched a bit down there, shall we say. So we poured water down it immediately. It didn't do any damage. So that's what I'm doing down there. So I'm going to fill that with water. There's a funnel. The green funnel. The green thing is a funnel sticking out of there. I'm going to, soak it down with water again. Fire it up. So I think I'll pause this and do part 4. I'm going to do that. Okay, bye-bye. This is Jerry Diamond. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant. Listen and hear, people. Hear and listen. I don't like that.